Alright, this is my Whirlpool washer. It's a model WFW94HEXR0. And it wouldn't run. I had a, F06E01 code. And online they said you needed to replace the control module. And so I thought that was going to be under the top, so I took the top off. And then I took the front off because I thought maybe it was going to be down there. But when I took the front off, I noticed something on the back side that looked like the right part. So I ended up taking the back side off. And then it's down on the bottom. Right there. So I just started, I flipped this cover open and started undoing the connections. There's my replacement one I ordered online. So I'm going to undo all the wires, hook the wires up to the new one, put it back together, and see if we can get it. It was kind of a pain in the butt because you had to take that off, which included a whole ton of little 1/4 inch head screws. And here we go.